Hi guys, I have a Nissan Xtrail T31. I'll show you where the cabin filter is located. It's right below um, the or right beside the accelerator pedal. Um, Below the what do you call the steering wheel. So as you can see, it's right over there. If you can see, it's right under there. It's a pain to remove and a pain to install. So let me cut the video and then I'll get back. Now this is the video of removing the cabin filter. We have to remove this first. This is the cover. Let me just turn on the light over there. So normally what I do is I remove this one, just put it out. There you go. Now you can see the parts of the aircon. I think this is an evaporator. The filter is right here. See, it's inside this compartment. I say it's a pain to remove and to put a new one because I've seen this dismantled. There's like a certain space where your cabin filter is supposed to fit. Now to remove, I just need a screwdriver, flat one. I just give it a jimming. Just be careful you don't wreck it. So I normally just put it in right here and I just put it open. Do it slowly because you might break it. There you go. So just pull it out. Oh, I think I latched it too tight from the last time. Oh, there you go. See, just make sure that this is the cover. See, and there is the cabin filter. See, it's this white one right here. Now to remove it, I really don't know the exact way how to do it, but if you can find an easier way, hit the comments below and let me know. I usually replace this after every 3 months, considering the weather that we have here and the pollution that Manila has. So I normally just press it because you can see it's quite hard to pull out. There's a slot for this, so when you put it back in, you may not really, you assume it's already in place, but it doesn't really cover the whole gap. But this one is rightly done because I had my aircon checked. So there you go. Okay, just be careful of, anyway it's flexible so you can just pull it right out. So imagine pulling this whole thing out and then putting a new one in. So it's really okay, one sec. See, it's like stuck in there. Oh, there you go. Careful not to wreck it. There, see, got it. Anyway, that's the cabin filter. It's supposed to be dirty. I don't even know if this is washable, but I'll try to get the new one and then replace it. I'll be back. So this is my new filter. I got this off Lazada. It looks rather, I think it's supposed to be this white, but well, it serves the purpose. Rather than buying the original one in Nissan, which is really expensive. This one I only got this for like 700 pesos. Now This is the tricky part, so bear with me, guys. As you can see, there's the in. Okay, I'll just okay, I'll do it this way. Okay, guys. So basically, we just have to put this filter this way, and put it back inside. But as you can see, there's this, I don't know what this is. I think this is the accelerator pedal. And I'm not really a car guy, just started doing things on my own. Now inside this one, I don't know if you can see it, there's like a gap. Okay, let me see if I can just I can't. Let me check right here. This way. See? There's a slot. And in between these slots, see, there's this two guides right below. That is where the filter is supposed to fit. So this is why I said it's really tricky to put it back inside, but nevertheless, make do what I have and see how it goes. So sorry for the movement of the camera, because I myself, you know, some people may have a T31 and then always wondered how to replace the filter rather than bring it to Nissan, which they charge an arm and a leg just to replace it. I'd rather do it on my own. Anyway, you see how it's done. So you saw how I took it out. Then basically I just have to put it back in. Now you can stay for the rest of the video if you would like, as I work my way on putting it back in. So now we just have to see. Now I'm forced to like fold it because I have to let it fit, and then I have to turn it in an angle where I may this is the trick. This is why I said it's very tricky to put it back in. Just fix the camera. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, let me pause it and come back. I don't know how to do this. Stupid guys install it in such a way. This is headed. I do this every 3 months, and until now I still can't get the right way of doing it. It's one of the things that I wish there was an easier way to do it, but apparently there's no easy way, guys. Let's see. Okay, wait, I think I should bend it like how I did last time. Wait a second. Okay guys, I got it in, but you'd have to fold it from here, like squeeze it and then squeeze the bottom part so it would fit, and then now I just have to push it in. See, okay, I really don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, but like I said, if it fits, it works, and it does what it needs to do. Okay, there you go. It's right snug right in between. There you go. Just push it all the way in. Make sure you. So there you go. And we just have to. Where's that? Now where did I put? Oh, here. Put it back in. And just snap it back in. Leave it right. See, there's a thingamajig there. Let me just do it up. There you go. That's one of them. It's supposed to be latched here. Usually this is the easiest thing to do. Oh, there you go. To push this and then there. Now let's see it. Got it? Okay. There you go. Okay, now we have to put back the covering. This is quite easy to do too. Just snap them in. Make sure it's light. So okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you guys don't get a headache like I do. So change your filter every 3 to 4 months or even 6 months. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.